Here in the laboratory at Westox, and you can see there's a bucket of cocoon here holding the door open. We've just done a test in a heritage building in the city, and we've taken some cocoon and left it on there for 2 weeks, and now we've got a sample which we're going to be running through the testing equipment here. You can see the salts have gathered on the surface of the cocoon there, and if you bear with me while I get this camera to focus through here, you can see the salts growing on the surface of the paper there. Alright, so you can see those sharp crystals there are what grow in between the sand cement in your masonry or your sandstone, and that's why you get deterioration of your masonry, because the salts are growing in the surface, and the cocoon is designed to remove the salt from the masonry so it doesn't damage your buildings any longer. Alright, so that's a really good example of the salt crystals gathering on the surface of the cocoon after they've been extracted from a building.